Top stories. International Women's Day celebrated at various places in state. Gender equality is the first step to bring women empowerment in our society, says Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla. And Pakistan lodges FIR against unidentified pilots of Indian Air Force RAF for bombing and destroying 19 trees in the Balakot area. Hello, good evening, welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me, HARIPRIYA, presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in details. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla has said that gender equality is the first step to bring women empowerment in our society. She was addressing the gathering at the International Women's Day celebration at Hotel Imphal today. The governor said she is glad to be a part of the International Women's Day observance jointly organized by the Manipur State Commission for the Women and the State Social Welfare Department. International Women's Day on the 8th of March every year is not only an occasion to celebrate the achievement of women in different spheres of life, but also to critically reflect on those accomplishments and strive for a greater momentum towards progress for all women in the world. The importance of International Women's Day is being increasingly appreciated, and today it embodies hope and aspiration for women across the world. She wholly shares the view that nothing would be more appropriate than the theme, Think Equal, Build Smart, Innovate for Change, for today's annual celebration at this juncture. The educated women in modern times are just on the threshold of transition from tradition to modernity. They themselves desire that their status and position in society should rise higher. Though a proper climate for such a change is still wanting, yet there have been many structural and statutory innovations for the improvement of their position. The traditional status and role sets of women are breaking up, and new role sets based on achievement, independence and equality are gradually emerging. In the Indian context, women traditionally had four role sequences. These were her role as a daughter, wife, housewife and mother. This perception or misperception is rapidly changing, and a new dimension has been added to the woman's role. It is the women's heightened involvement and participation in the economic, political and social life. Women are being gradually recognized and accepted as an independent social actor, obliterating as all gender biases. Women have to think equal, build smart and innovate for change to remain relevant in this highly competitive world. She made an appeal to join hands to transform our thought into action, to empower women in all settings, rural and urban, and to honor the activists who are working relentlessly to claim women's rights and help in realizing their full potential. Gender equality is the first step to bring women empowerment in our society. The perception that women are meant only to handle household chores or take responsibility of home and family should change. Instead, both men and women are responsible for everything of daily routine. Men too need to understand their responsibility towards home and family and all others work women do show that women can get some time to think about themselves and their career. Women should also identify their strengths and abilities and move towards a world of empowerment. On this occasion of Women's Day, let us all promise to celebrate a better world to live in. Talking to Tom TV News at Raj Bhavan, Dr. Najma Heptulla expressed her views on women empowerment on the occasion of International Women's Day.
This year's theme is Balance for Better. Balance not only in family life, there should be a balance. There should be balance at the workplace also. There should be balance in the boardrooms. There should be balance in business. There should be balance in sharing the wealth also. And that the first International Women's Year's message was equality. The theme was equality, peace and development. Now the same concept is over there, that until and unless there is a balance between men and women, then there will be imbalance, and imbalance doesn't work. Like the wheels of a cart, there are two wheels. They have to have balance, otherwise the cart will not move forward. The same way, if we want development, there should be a balance in life. And then when there is development, then there would be peace in the society and in the world. So on the International Women's Day, I wish a balance between men and women in every part of life, every section of life. There should be a balance. And the same I wish to the state women and national and international women.
8 March is celebrated as the International Women's Day all over the world. As the state celebrates the day, people from various walks of life, including political leaders, lady police, express their views on women empowerment and gender equality.
Every year on March 8, International Women's Day is celebrated across the globe, and this year the theme is Balance for Better. The International Women's Day calls for equality of women in society, where women are often not given the right where she actually deserves. Since the inception of the International Women's Day, the scenario has changed quite rapidly to address many issues. Women's Day also dates back to the first political activism to protect the rights of women. When it comes to equality in Manipur, it is quite contrary. Let's take some views from different walks of life.
Financially, they are involved. Economically, they are empowered. But I am really surprised why they are not so much active in politics. So I hope that in future, all the political parties and workers should involve women. They are very articulate, they are very empowered, and if they can do business, they can do political business also.
Hiram Khodimutta Mangjin Tharaba, Akoigi, Konaisigi, Isal Mayamsi, politically young Pokandadi, Yamna Sotana labor, Moina Tauzeri Batavaksi, the encouraged of Watpa. अदुगा recognize in pibse what pana thokpa ra na khalle matam khragi matungdadi sumba ranti sakti se sungsoi soi dana adi sinaraga leipak ngakpada leipaki adi ngaklonda soba daita ma sungsoi soi da lor khigani haibagi thajabadudi thamje.
Since the colonial days, Manipuri women have had vocal political assertion in public domain, which are popularly known as the Nupilal 1904 and 1939. Manipuri women are also the major economic contributors in the state. However, their political participation as decision makers in formal domains is marginal or almost nil.
Crime against women ki victim moiriba aduga sibai na hat kiba mayam singji victim moiraba family mayam singsina sung chau chau khatana collapse oiraga kai bawa development da contribute to ngamdraga karamba makhal gi balance no ba khoina porakadisi yam thina sothari to balance society ma porak pa haibase it's a long way to go yam sang lambi ni chatwis.
Health professionals like Dr. Ajit Lukram has shown concerns that women in our state, being relatively a closed society, unlike the Western countries, have fear, social stigma and anxiety about what they consider private space. And this leads to rising cases of breast cancer deaths as they are not reported timely.
International Women's Day na Malayam Simba thungna celebrate tawne ko. Sigi nimitsi ina breast cancer specialist amoina jagi khoi breast cancer na raga sigi bami si khoi India da adi Manipur da sei mari mangan mong sei da yam wangkhal breast cancer si magi early stage da diagnose tawta di khoina matik cha ba khoina treatment ji pira kang da pura ina cure to ngam me ba aduna mapalam khoi ga khene ji mapalam ne cancer si yam early stage ta ko mo screening to ba masana masagi hakchang cell breast examination to ba doctor gi manak ta chat pa adagi di sei nifu da gi sei hundra manga bole ben pi nyam si sei ahum ong khuding gi x-ray mammogram gi kap thok na man da diagnose no ba khone ba ko akhoi gi sidana khoi gi chathok pa da khudong cha da ba adagi di ikai ba social stigma sa le bani na mayam si cancer si kai po no no ying thok pa si theng mani na akhoi da lakum matam da case yam theng la ai ba aduna akhoi na khai da gi phaba treatment pi ta su late stage advanced stage la pa cancer di koi cure to ngam de.
The story of women's struggle for equality belongs to no single families, nor to any one organization, but to the collective efforts of all for those who care about human rights. Let's celebrate the incredible strength of women to strengthen the foundation of society. With cameraman Ozit, this is Santi Salam for Times of Manipur.
AMSU Women's Wing also celebrated International Women's Day. Professor Aruna Devi of Manipur University took the chair of chief guest, AMSU Headquarters Secretary General Anil Soibam as the president, AMKIL advisor Khangimam Anandi, former General Secretary of AMSU Jingangkham Premita as the guest of honor, former General Secretary of AMBA Brahmachari Mayum Supriya Devi and Secretary of WED Mangsatabam Sovita as the resource person. Secretary of WED M Sovita said that commemorating the death of Thangzam Manorama, who was tortured and killed by the security forces in 2004, 12 women protested at the Kangla Western Gate on 15 July of the same year, which led to removal of Assam Rifles from Kangla and withdrawal of Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 from 7 assembly segments, is the huge accomplishment of women folk of the state.
Imasing asina penda badagi akan bokhlaw tawdana protest nude protest sathagiba adudagi Assam Rifles in Manipur thadoga chatkibaneba simak yam chawba aikoi imasing gi akoina sayang akoi loinamangna uraba khangaba penba adugumba lamdamni akoi Manipuri imasing ase akoi taraina lobiyaro si Armed Forces Special Power Act hek thamakpa matungdagi imasing lawrapa thaudang akoina kaidongne dosu kawba ngamoi aduga madubo aikoina ngaktuna thambai magi imasingi hani matung illaga makoin tawrambasing ase aikoi dugi thongna ase aikoi da leigadabani haibase aina Manipuri nupi ama oina mama ama oina aduga leibaki karigumba kharadang tawjariba ama oina ai aikoi gi isasing haureiba myamna so ai thamjani.
Speaking at the celebration, former General Secretary of AMBA Brahmachari Mayum Supriya Devi talked about the past events of the day.
Nupa employees in the video kusuman siga mana halutaba pungdi sap manaba aduguma mana halutaba kari marangi da mana haloi dori bano haibasigi matang sidigi hora kanda khoi protest la khibani adugi mayam ama horopadi mathang mathang la badi gi sap manaba mongda khoi nupi myam singsi ihou sin la badagi khoi nupi singsi sap manaba right che pigadabani haina la badi hoji chi pidana have the equal share, equal right, okay, Manipur dasu, lower of the Lakan dasu, okay, property the Harakanda, low income, champati lady, but Kudimong, my panatama, my answer, we jump on the equal share, Pangadam Nehai. The equal right, my amam Pangadam Nehai.
All Manipur Lady Advocate Association also celebrated the day at Tabitha Children's Home, Rafai Valley today. The celebration was sponsored by Manipur State Legal Services Authority, High Court of Manipur. Taking part in the celebration, Advocate Y. Romola said, improvement in overall economy can be one of the solutions to resolve crime against women.
Manipur gi oinadi hairiba fidasi malengi fidane malengi nupi singi fidane International Women Day ne observation taunaba laiga sida Manipur da di nupi ki crime thokpa se hena hengale adana nupi da ijat manghanba nupi da crime to hanba adagi magi nupana magi nupi da otpa magi mamong nupina magi manembok to otpa magi manembok na mamong nupi da otpa adigi changi chum hengale adana aina aigi side digi haibasi hengal lakta na wagi da magda malem da nupi sing se mahi masing matik chana henba gyan loksing matik chana piba aduga senthok matik chana lehlagadi nupanasu nupida crime to bungamoy nupinasu nupida crime to bungamoy haina haijene.
To commemorate the revolution of the women garment factory workers at New York in 1908 to improve their working conditions and unequal pay scale, the world celebrates International Women's Day today. Various organizations based in Manipur also celebrated the day at various places today. All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association celebrated International Women's Day on the theme, "Let us carry the struggle forward" at GM Hall today. The International Women's Day was also celebrated at Mori and Jiribam today. All Jiribam Women's Association, ASWA, and All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association, Amawova, Jiribam branch celebrated the day on the theme, "Think Equal, Build Smart, Innovate for the Change" at the Auditorium Hall of Jiribam Municipal Utility Complex. Chairperson of Jiribam Municipal Council, S. Santi, President of ASWA, C.H. Manglembi, and President of Amawova Jiribam branch, T.H. Suchitra, were the main guests at the celebration. Proletarian Feminist Movement Manipur also celebrate the day at Hindi Parisat situated at Old Assembly Road. And now let's have a short break, so stay with us.
Lamjingba jewelry na adomgidamak khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari. Aikhoigi service singdi inat kyoiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari. Singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari. Manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari. Sana asamal khwaidagi nemna lauzari. Nomaizing numitsu adomgi service ta laizari. Ngasimak lengsin birau Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbajewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Admission open. Institute of Manipur Arts Imana Sinduna acting course ki damak lakriba March ki tarik mari dagi form thaba haujaragani. Art pu pamjaba thawai yauba miyoi singna makhada pijariba address amadi contact number 8974044243 amadi 7005615228. Loinana Aisham Kishore Singh Senior Film Artist Manipur Sagolban Tera Tongbram Lekai Mamang Leraktagi Khambiba Yagani. Telephone number amuka ningsingjari 8974044243 amadi 7005615228 ni.
Welcome back. A team of Imphal East Commando and 6 Assam Rifles nabbed 3 cadres of NSCN Key from Purirumba Kongnangkong under Parampa Police Station, who are involved in money extortion from government office and schools. They have been identified as Konthozam Opendra Singh Adaret Ibomcha, age 45, son of K. Ibobi Singh from Mongsangai Awang Lekai. Self-styled Lieutenant Adaho Kamai Adaret Addition Adaret Kisan, age 42, son of led Asin Pau Kamai from Langol Tarung, and Konthozam Singh Hazit, age 40, K. Ibobi from Mongsangai Awang Lekai. Among them, Adaho Kamai Adaret Addition Adaret Kishan is currently working under Lifestyle Brigadier Mansi Kamai of the group. According to police report, they are involved in money extortion from Central Agricultural University, Regional Institute of Organic Farming, Public Health and Engineering Department, and have been threatening to take contract work share from the people. 1 Mobistar, 1 Aadhaar card, 2 wallets, a driving license, 1 LYF mobile phone, and a silver color Alto color car have been recovered from them. They were handed over to the police for further questioning. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in High. He visited Kanpur and Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh and unveiled multiple development projects. During his visit to Varanasi, PM Modi visited the Kasi Vishwanath temple and laid a foundation stone of an approach road to the temple. He will also inspect the project site and attend the National Women Livelihood Meet 2019 at Din Dayal Hatkala Sankul. In Kanpur, he unveiled the Panki power plant and inaugurated a section of the Lucknow Metro Rail through a video link. He is also expected to lay the foundation stone for the Agra Metro Rail project as well as address a gathering. In Ghaziabad, PM Modi inaugurated the Dilsad Gardens Sahit Sthal new bus Ada section of the metro and flagged off a train from Sahit Sthal station. Akhil Gogoi criticized the Sarbananda Sonowal-led Bharatiya Janata Party BJP government and termed the recruitment process in the Panchayat and Rural Development Department as a bigger scheme than the APSC scheme. Gogoi said that the government should not have announced the appointments when the Criminal Investigation Department CID has submitted its investigation report citing irregularities in the recruitment exam. Addressing the media in Guwahati, the KMSS leader announced an agitation program against the state government for the alleged irregularities which mar the appointments. It is to be mentioned that the CID has submitted the investigation report of the anomalies in the recruitment examinations for the vacant posts in the PMAMP RD department, which was laid in May 2018 across the state. According to reports, there were massive irregularities in 18 examination centers of 9 districts. Pakistan on Friday lodged an FIR against unidentified pilots of the Indian Air Force IAF for bombing and destroying 19 trees in the Balakot area, according to a media reports. Thereafter, New Delhi launched a preemptive strike against the Jaish-e-Mohammed, largest training camp in the country. The first information report was filed by the Forestry Department on Friday against pilots of the Indian Air Force IAF for bombing and destroying trees in the Balakot area, the Express News reported. The FIR registered against unidentified IAF pilots also details the damage suffered by 19 trees after the Indian fighter jets hastily dropped their payload. It says, on March 26, India said IAF jet, in the face of imminent danger, launched a preemptive strike on Balakot in Pakistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, SCDCM calls 30 hours total shutdown. Chief Minister launches scholarship scheme for CS coaching. Town planning defies cabinet decision. The People's Chronicle, ST demand STDCM in stir mode, PAM moods dialogue. Cabinet resolves to hold new job call. Political turncoats angers over NPP BJP rift. Teachers launch stir to demand upgrade of colleges. Manipur Mail, CM launches scholarship scheme for civil services aspirants. Meitei ST demand committee calls band.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. International Women's Day celebrated at various places in state. Gender equality is the first step to bring women empowerment in our societies, says Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah. Pakistan lodges FIR against unidentified pilots of the Indian Air Force IAF for bombing and destroying 19 trees in the Balakot area. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.